Union Bank of India is not just adapting to the future, it's leading it. Over the past months, our learning and development initiatives have become the bedrock of innovation, unlocking potential for each vertical with a bold fourfold approach. In the first half of FY25, our Union Learning Academies reached 35,000 employees in just 6 months, delivering significant results. From Chicago to Barcelona, our global programs provide valuable international experience, fostering leadership and bringing best practices back to Union Bank. We partner with top institutions like ISB and MDI Gurgaon to offer our employees world-class programs in New Age banking. Our flagship Union Advait program trains 510 participants annually in behavioral skills, functional banking, and New Age topics, preparing leaders for future challenges. Feature-rich one-stop solution for all Union Advait information and learning resources. Features include Business Projects page for all submissions, Daily Question of the Day, Snapshot of all things being taught at conclaves, Individual Learning Progress Snapshot, Topic-wise assessments for each conclave session along with numerous homeworks, Coaching page with a dynamic IDP, Multifunctional leaderboard with individual, batch-wise, and highest gainer rankings. Our Women Leadership Program has groomed over 100 senior leaders, including insights from dignitaries like Dr. Kiran Bedi. The Wings program empowers women from scale 1 to 4, supporting their personal and professional growth. Union Swar is a key wellness initiative by Union Bank of India with a key role being played by the L&D department. Swar enhances wellness with yoga sessions and 24/7 access to dietitian and physician support, reinforcing Union Bank's commitment to employee well-being. Union Bank is empowering its workforce with a 5-day digital leadership program by ISB and certifications in risk management, finance, and analytics. We are also training 100 new credit officers in MSME and corporate credit.
Firstly, I will tell about this course and the way admins have thought was really great. Like when I saw this course called Nami Success, I felt like how they can teach success in 2 days. But after attending this training, I understood here success is not achievement, it's a path to achieve it.
First time I have learned about other than banking channels, products, different kind of training can be happened.
Key efforts have been initiated to further enable employees to drive business. Mandatory training and certification on analytics. Adult literacy through Union Sakshar. Capacity building internal certifications on critical banking topics, ethics and compliance awareness week. Union Reconnect for women returning from maternity leave. At Union Bank of India, learning drives a brighter, more empowered future. Together, we lead with innovation, collaboration, and a commitment to continuous growth.